Welcome back everyone. I've got a great yogurt recipe for you today, but it's got a little bit of a twist in it. We're gonna make a homemade yogurt, but we're also gonna make a mixed berry chia jam on the bottom. It looks great, it tastes great. I know exactly what's going into it, and it's super easy to do, so let's get straight into it. First, I'll get onto the mixed berry chia jam. I've got 1 heaped cup of frozen mixed berries. You could use fresh if you like. Place the berries and 3 tablespoons of water into a small saucepan. Simmer on low heat with the lid on for about 5 minutes or until the berries start to fall apart. Mash the berries with the back of a fork and then remove them from the heat. You can now add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds and 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup. Stir to combine and then pour this jam into the yogurt maker jar and allow it to cool and set. While the jam is setting in the bottom of the yogurt jar, you can get straight on to making the yogurt. As always, the first step is to make sure all of your equipment is sterile, and then you can go ahead and pour 7 cups of full cream milk into a pot, and we'll heat that over the stove. Slowly heat the milk to 82 degrees Celsius or 180 Fahrenheit, and hold at that temperature for around 10 minutes. Give the milk a whisk every now and then so it doesn't burn on the bottom. Remove the milk from the heat and allow it to cool right down to below 42 degrees Celsius. Then you can whisk in your starter culture. Make sure the chia jam is cold before you start adding your milk. Gently ladle the milk over the top of the chia jam. Place the lid on and return the jar to the yogurt maker base, and then you can fill up the water bath up to the tall line indicator. Place the cover on and then you can punch in your settings. Use the digital control panel to set the temperature to 38 degrees Celsius or 100 Fahrenheit and the time to 10 hours. You can ferment this yogurt up to 24 hours. Once the incubation time is over, you can then remove the jar and place it into the fridge for at least 6 hours to chill and set. I hope you enjoyed this recipe today. It's just another simple way to level up your homemade yogurt game. Obviously, sky's the limit here. You don't have to stick with this mixed berry chia jam. You could put mango, passion fruit, whatever's in season, whatever you have on hand to make it a little bit more interesting. Give it a go for yourself and let us know what you think in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, then give it a like for us. And if you haven't already, then hit subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our Lavelli Life recipes to come.